I'm gonna have to chop these videos up, but here we go again. Alright, so we've got the Vipertek handcuffs back. They're locked. It's got the double lock on the side, it's in. So this is a standard windshield wiper. They don't all come out like this. Some are different. I mean, you've got big ones, little ones. There's probably about 3 common ones that are good, and then there's a couple of them that suck. You know, that are 2 common ones that suck. And then there, as many as I've been ripping it apart, I've only seen 2 other kinds, but they're super rare. There's one that's like really, really big, and I don't know what that's from. So anyway, but this is a really common one, and right on the ends, it connects there to the end of the windshield wiper. You kind of check that out. There's like a little like notch in it, so 2 of them could sit together side by side and connect to that clamp that comes over to hold the windshield wiper blade on. Well, if we take a look at the key, it just sticks off. So you can imagine if somebody got a hold of a windshield wiper, I mean, they don't even have to manipulate this thing, really. This thing's locked. You would just go in like this. I imagine it's not gonna work every time, because in the end, it's. But okay, so we got the double lock freed. There you go. That's weird, because that would mean that, and both ends are like that. That would mean that a high percentage of windshield wipers would open handcuffs without even any skill. Like, this is no picking skill. I mean, double locked, okay. Let's go in. Did that get it? That got it. Right there. Bam. See that? Whoa. Wonder how many. I mostly get these when I take apart windshield wipers. Mostly.